So next topic is the IC committee, very important committee. Every organization needs to have it. Every organization who has more than 10 employees, even if the employees do not have women employees, should be having a internal committee. ठीक है, कौन रहेगा इस इंटरनल कमेटी पे? ठीक है, दे हैव आइडेंटिफाइड एटलीस्ट 4 मेंबर्स होने चाहिए, जिसमें से कम okay, minimum one person has to be a woman. Okay, then internal committee may take steps to settle the matter through conciliation before initiating the inquiry. So yeah, this is one provision which has been given, but before that let's see what is the composition of an internal committee. Internal committee में basically कौन होने चाहिए? People who are capable of handling such sensitive issues, right? Sensitive issues हैं which requires experience. So आप किसी न्यूबी को और मे बी अ न्यू एम्प्लॉई, यू कैनॉट जस्ट पुट हिम ऑन द इंटरनल कमिटी. It may not help, it will not solve the purpose. So committee, first of all, the person should be there, it should have is a presiding officer who is a senior female employee. Okay, senior female employee, they are clearly specifying. Senior means basically having certain experience within the organization and in handling such kind of situations. Okay, one external member, this person is very important to maintain the transparency within the committee. So one external member, make sure that such kind of person does exist in the committee. Also it helps in giving a new background to the case. New facts can be brought up by this person because he doesn't belong to the organization. So इसलिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि one external member is required. 2 other members from the trained internal committee panel. Trained internal committee panel. Okay, so these people should be on a regular basis be trained so that they are capable of handling such sensitive situations, and all members of the IP are trained in handling such fact finding exercises. Because see, it is not a matter, it is a matter of somebody's career, it is a matter of somebody's dignity, both for the aggrieved person and also जिसने ऐसा crime commit किया है या जिस पे ऐसा allegation लगा है कि this person has committed the crime. In सबका career is at stake. So obviously these people have to be trained properly, otherwise things can go wrong. And there have been legal cases in courts in India जहाँ पे probably the matter was not very serious in the beginning, लेकिन the way it was handled, the people had to go to court instead of things getting settled at the IC level. So make sure if whenever you are having an internal committee, it is capable of handling these kind of sensitive cases.